Yo, what's up everybody? Superior Shelby here. You already know I'm always bringing you guys some hot hits, okay? Today we're gonna go over this 70 Chevelle on 24-inch Forgiato wheels. We're gonna go over all of the custom features for this super cool car and more. So come on, let's check it out. All right, you guys, I'm here with my good friend Antoine, who is the actual owner of this beautiful baby. How are you doing, man?
Good, and you?
Yes, I'm great. Listen, this is a beautiful baby, okay? I seen this car, this hit at the car show yesterday, and I just had to. I really walked up to him and I was like, can I please review your car because it's absolutely stunning, okay? Tell me why you went with the Chevelle.
One, investment value.
Yeah.
For
sure.
And it's just, you know, it's just top of the line, old school car. Yeah.
Definitely. And then you did the black, like matting it out, and you went with this color combination. I want you to tell me a little bit about why you decided to go with the red and black combination.
Really, it's kind of trademark for me. I've been building cars a long time. I've done a lot of black and red cars. I considered some other colors, but really couldn't decide. And just as it came together, the black just kind of, you know, stayed one of my favorites.
Definitely. How long you been in the car game?
Early 90s.
Really?
Yeah,
so
I'm an OG.
Yeah, so he's been around for a very long time. And let me tell you, this is showing and proving because he knows exactly what he's doing when it comes down to these hits, you guys. Everything is down to the detail, and everything is color combo. And I definitely want you guys to take a look on the inside. This is what's beautiful, okay? Oh my gosh. Super nice, bleeding on the inside. You have those chrome pieces there. Even has red, the red belt. The seat belt looks really good, and a matching steering wheel, obviously, to go with the rims, okay, on the outside. And you went with Forgis, actually. You went with Forgiatos. And so tell me a little bit about like why you picked these particular ones, because I haven't even seen it like this in this type of combination.
Like, you know, they send you a bunch of rims, and I just went through them, and that one stood out to me the most.
Yeah.
I hadn't seen it before, and when I looked at it, I just kind of visualized the colors on it, and I put it together.
Yeah, it looks really good with that brush, and then you did the red and the black. Looks good. Then you have the chrome lip, and then obviously the brake caliper, the red. Obviously, it looks really good together. These are 24s, you guys. These Forgiato rims look absolutely good with this color, and just everything. The combination is a beautiful Chevelle. And then up under your hood, can you open the hood for us? So you have this like racer stripe here.
Yep, yeah. Kind of something I just thought up in my brain to have put on there a little bit different. I didn't want my car to be a kind of the cookie cutter Chevelle.
Yes, it's definitely
just
not.
Regular stripes. So,
yeah. Definitely not the cookie cutter, and this motor definitely not saying cookie cutter, okay? What we got up under this hood? Tell the people.
A big block 454, got a little cam in it. You know, nothing too much. Just, I mean, a 454 is fast, you know, just out the gate. So it don't take much to make it fast. And, you know, I mean, for me, this is a driver. So, you know, it's not a race car. It's not something you're going to see on a trailer ever. We drove an hour out here just to come and see y'all. Yes,
and definitely appreciate it. Oh my God, looks absolutely good. Everything up under here is that matte black that goes beautifully with the car. And then right here you have 1970 Chevelle. This is nice. People don't really do this, so this is different. Everything looks really clean. Those clean chrome pieces up under there looks nice. Okay, you doing your thing. I love it. And then I see like here, it looks like your lights.
Yeah, I got halos on there.
Yeah, so they light up and everything. Right. That is so nice. This car is great. And then you have music. Yeah. Right? You have music in your trunk or just inside?
Both.
Both?
So
oh, okay.
I can open the trunk.
Yeah, definitely. Let's open up the trunk. Okay. See what they looking like. You guys, this is absolutely great. Like, oh my gosh. Ride smooth. Super smooth and clean. I don't even want to touch it. Oh, Scott Audio. Oh my gosh, what is going on back here? Who did your music?
My buddy did.
Oh, this is nice. This is nice. I like the inside. I like how you did this. This is nice. I love this setup and the light up here. Geez, super organized. This is how you come through, okay? Super loud.
Complete.
Very complete. Very complete. Super loud. Oh my gosh. This looks great. I definitely want to take a ride. Can we take a ride?
Sure.
All right, come on.
Yeah.
This is a 70. Oh my God. Oh my God. The inside is absolutely amazing, you guys. We have the red carpet. The people that see that feels so good. Oh my God. And I like this. This is so different. So you doing the inside. How long did it take you to do your inside?
It does becomes like 10 different shades of red.
Yes, yes.
So it's hard to get red to all match. So I have to do a lot of painting myself and a lot of matching, mixing and matching.
It looks really, really good. Super clean. I don't even want to touch it. All of your pieces are chromed out just like how it's supposed to be. I like your dashboard. Still gives me that original feel, but brand new. Yes, I like it. And then your sunroof, that sunroof, and it's controlled. That's lit. Okay. Yeah. Oh, what? One touch. See, you niggas, y'all don't even want to touch it. Y'all gotta listen. That is so cool. Oh my God. This is so nice. Yes, these are nice. And you have music inside. I see you have music here at the top and in the back, right? We can't play music there. Yeah. Yeah. So what? How much you think about it? What it's supposed to be. This is an actual exclusive hit, and you guys, I see him at the car show yesterday. I had to review this car. It's outstanding. Oh my God. Oh my God, it feels so good, man. Listen, you gotta bring this to Florida. You gotta bring this to Florida, man. This is so nice. Thank you so much for the ride, man. I cannot right, you guys, so I have enjoyed my good time in my ride with Antoine. If you've enjoyed this video and you like this particular car, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on push notifications for me on your YouTube channel, please. And if you want to see any pictures of this custom car or any other custom car in the nation and land, you know who to visit. That's aswift.net. Don't you ever forget it, aswift.net. And until next time, I'm Superior Shelby, and I will check you guys' hits out next time. Peace! Hey, what's up everybody? Superior Shelby here, and I got a new hot product for y'all. Clean It Right Auto Care. That's right, Clean It Right Auto Care. This is their Rocky Road non-acid wheel cleaner. So it's particularly for rims like this, colored rims, brush face rims, whatever rims it is, but this will get your rims, give your rims a deep clean, and it actually smells kind of good for a wheel cleaner. So if you want to get some of this product or any other product out there that Clean It Right Auto has, make sure you visit their website, cleanmyrims.com, or just follow them on Instagram at Clean It Right Auto. See you guys soon. Peace!